Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a mulled wine warmer from Royal Catering. A device is very versatile, so it's not only for mulled wine, but you can do a lot in it. Well, any alcoholic beverages just like mulled wine or glögg, or any hot beverages like tea or coffee. I prepared some mulled wine in it. If it comes to the recipe, well, have a look at the internet, there's 1,000 of them. I just like to put some cinnamon sticks in it, some aniseed or an orange peel. You can use it also as a stock pot, as I prefer to use it, or use it as a food pasteurizer with the help of this rack. So what you do with this one, you just drop it into the main tank, stack your jars with food on it, refill it with some water just to the desired level, bring it up to boil, and it works as a food pasteurizer. So that's a really cool feature. Let me walk you through all the main components. So first of all, the lid. The lid is made of plastic, so it doesn't heat up. You will never burn yourself when you have to refill it or clean it out. So even when the device is operating for a long time, this will never get hot enough to burn you. One thing to remember though, when the device is operating, steam will build up underneath the lid. So when you open it, always remember to open it outwards, so the steam is released outwards, not towards you. There's a marking pressed in the metal, just right there, and outside as well, for you to see on how much liquid should be inside. The main tank is made of stainless steel covered with special enamel. This makes the whole cleaning process really easy. On both sides you'll see handles. These are made of plastic and also heat-proof, so you can carry it around even when the device is full with hot liquid. Underneath the tank and between the base and the tank actually, there's the heating element, and it works with 1800 watts, so it's quite powerful and efficient for that amount of liquid inside. No special installation needed because it works with 230 volts, you just plug it in and you're ready to go. Moving down, as you can see, the controls are really simple. There's only one dial, one switch and one indicator light. So this dial doubles as a on and off switch, and you set the temperature on it. So you can set the temperature between 50 and 100 degrees. For heating up, always set up the higher temperature and then just drop it down, and that's what the switch is for. The switch is the temperature control. As you can see, the light lights up when you turn the temperature up, when the device is heating. When you turn the switch on, it actually states that the temperature has been reached, and it gives you an acoustic signal. So let me just drop the temperature to show you what it does. So let's say it reached the desired temperature, you want the timer, the control off, you just switch it off, and the device will hold this temperature for an indefinite time, as long as you need it. Alright, so these are pretty much all the components. Let me just show you how to operate it. As I said, I prepared some mulled wine. Don't need to be too accurate. Usually it just stands on open air festival or a mountain resort or a Christmas market. If you're looking for a mulled wine warmer, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of those on offer with different colors, different shapes, so you will find definitely the one that you need. With this one though, you get a 3-year warranty and will be delivered to you in a really sturdy box, just like this one. Inside you will also find an instruction manual. In there you will find a lot of useful information on how to prepare the machine for its first use, how to operate it, how to maintain and clean it. Talking about the cleaning. Cleaning in this case is really easy. What you have to do is just empty it out, rinse it down with some water. Just remember, never immerse it in water. Just remember it's an electrical device, so it could be really dangerous. So unplug it, empty it, rinse it out, clean it with some soapy water. Never use any abrasive or corrosive detergents or scourers. This may damage the enameled surface. Afterwards, just dry it with a paper towel or a cloth, and the device is ready for the next day's service or to be stored away. Let me just quickly summarize. It's really easy to use with just 2 controls. It is very efficient with 1800 watts. It is portable due to these 2 handles. And well, in my book, it's definitely good enough. So, If you want me to test some different types of equipment, just let me know in the comment section and I'll make a clip of it. On my behalf, I thank you guys very much for watching and I see you next time.